I'm gonna do my life journey with you. I think and I believe ukuthi now it's the right time for you to understand ukuthi why meaningful conversations with Uzane Mfeka. And why should you understand what meaningful conversation with Uzane Mfeka is different to any other podcast that you have watched, because it's here to inspire, to educate, and to entertain. And on top of that, it wants to change perspectives, mindset. It wants to touch your life in a different way, you know. So watch out for my life journey, which I am going to share with you from start to finish. Maybe you will support this channel better when you know the vision behind it. And on top of that, I just want to thank you for being here. I want to extend my love and my appreciation to you, Uti. You are here. You expect to laugh at times. We are sad together at times because some of the stories we receive from the DMs are sad. You expect our emotions, it's afana ne-roller coaster. Kodwa as much as efana ne-roller coaster, ungakhohlwa ukuthi sifuna ukushintsha iy'mpilo zabantu, one soul at a time. Sifuna ukuthinta umuntu ngamunye 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 o-trapped. And watch out for the space, because I'm yet to formalize this platform ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi ibe indawo whereby people can officially or can comfortably come and seek for help, because ngiyabona ukuthi baningi abantu abangidingayo, and okwenza ukuthi ngibone lokho is the amount of DMs that I receive. Amanye awo ngiyawaziba, because I want to pray about them before I can actually tackle those problems. Amanye wawo ngifuna ukuwasolve on the side before I can come back and shoot a story esinokunqoba phakathi, esine-victory phakathi. Amanye awo ngiyabona ukuthi apha ngaphezu kwamandla ami, akhona ngaphezu kwamandla ami engiye ngithi uma ngibona ngithi, God, why did this person didn't even decide to DM intuthwane efana nami? Mina, who am I? Who am I ukuthi nginganamandla okutakula lo muntu esimweni abhekene naso? Kodwa-ke we don't know. Who has known the mind of God, who has lived in the mind of God and understand its doing? That's what the word says. Kodwa-ke, nonetheless, you and I, let us connect on my life journey, up close and personal with me. Let us see what that is going to bring to you and how are you going to relate to it. And remember, if you have got a story to share with us, don't forget, DM me on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok. I am here for you. I don't want to say your guardian angel, but I'm your big sis that understand what is happening in your life. I'm a big sis that gets you. You know, that big sis that gets you. I got you. I really got you. And yeah, and I want to thank each and every person that has ever been into meaningful conversation with Uzane Mfeka and shared istori sakhe. Noma ngabe besibuhlungu kangakanani, noma ngabe mina bengenawo amandla kangakanani ukuthi ngimtakule or ngimsize kuleso story. Kodwa I know ukuthi somebody has got a job because of this podcast. I have saved a life because of this podcast. Somebody was about to alive themselves because of this podcast. They are still alive even today. I know ukuthi khona umuntu owafika la kulo podcast exakekile, engenawo ngisho umsebenzi, engaze uzothatha ini ahlanganise nani, kodwa today lowo muntu unomsebenzi, lowo muntu unethemba elisha, lowo muntu uyibona impilo in a different perspectives, lowo muntu ungibulelekile empilweni. Because why? we are saving one soul at a time. Know ukuthi ku-2026 we are going to be here doing greater and better. And I love you. I love you for being here, supporting this, for seeing the vision, because I've always thought that I'm a very vague person who ongakwazi ukusho into iqonde. I'm more like a poet. I'm poetic in my speeches and talking. So it's very few people who has got to understand what this channel and what this podcast is all about. And if 5, 10, 15, or 100 people got to understand what is it about, it's everything to me. It's everything to me. And let's push this. And I don't know if you have noticed ukuthi ngipostile as well ukuthi we are, as in November 15, we are 35k subscribers. Kukhulu kumina ngoba I know ukuthi i-content e-educational ave kunzima. Ayikho into enzima njengokuphusha i-content e-educational like this podcast. And I know ukuthi umuntu la ula because u-understand i-vision yami, ula because uyangizwisisa ukuthi ngithini, ula because uyabona ukuthi ngiyaphi, ula because naye some of the stories esizixoxayo la, or some of the guests that we've had on this podcast has changed her life or his life. Mntana sekhaya, ngiyakuthanda. U-2026 ngicela ukuphathe kahle. Ngicela ukuthi uziphathe kahle nawe ngamaholidi, unciphise ukuba uvanzi emgwaqweni, unciphise ukuba uvanzi ey'ndaweni ezi-wrong. And wenze sure ukuthi ku-2026 siyaphinde siyahlangana futhi, sismayila, si-happy, sinje noma sikhala, because we are emotional of the things that has happened in 2025. And when you start something, you really never know how people are going to receive it. You really never know that you are claiming ukuthi you are touching people's lives. You don't really know if ngempela ikhona impilo yomuntu ozoyithinta. So forgive me for ukuthi ngintetemele today. It's unintentional, but it's purposefully driven podcast that is within the Meaningful Conversations with Sunday Fair. I love you so much. Let us meet again, healthy and safe and happy in 2026. I promise you, I'm going to keep the story times coming throughout December, and they are going to be something to laugh about than to cry about. I love you.